Careers Week events really give you an eye into what's happening in industry now. It's current people who are recruiting, it's current companies who are active and growing in our area, and they get one-on-one interaction with people from those companies and learning about what they're looking for now and today.
I guess it's an opportunity for quite high-level applicants or candidates to transition from one career into another.
Firstly, it's direct access to a range of potential employees, the sort of candidates who have shown the initiative to go and study something additional.
My best piece of advice for new MBAs coming through is engage early with the careers team. There's lots you can do with them. There's lots of ways they can help you. So get to know the faces early and really utilise that throughout your MBA career.